How to fix Pinterest messages not working. So if you want to fix Pinterest messages not working, then let's move on to the solutions. So the first solution is by updating your application, because if your app is not up to date, then updating your application might solve your issue. So what you need to do is just simply go with your Play Store, or you can also go with your App Store if you're using an iOS device, and you need to search for Pinterest. Once you search here, you will have the application. So you just need to simply tap on the update option if you have any updates under your Pinterest application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is simply press and hold on to that Pinterest application and go with the app info. Under your app info, you need to go with storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you cleared your cache, now you need to go back and restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button, restart, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just simply go and uninstall the Pinterest application. Once you uninstall the application, you need to again go and install, but not from the Play Store or the App Store, but from your browser or your Google. So go with the older versions of Pinterest. Search for older version of Pinterest, and here you will have the website. Such will provide you an older version. So you just need to simply go and download the older versions of Pinterest for Android, and your problem might be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.